Welcome to Resonate. This recording is to help people overcome anxiety, to help ease the anxiety that you are feeling in your body, and to create more of a sense of peace and ease within you. We will be using vibrational instruments, some tuning forks, maybe some singing bowls, maybe a drum. I won't know until we actually get into it. There will be a little narrative before we start, somewhat during the session, and afterwards. The aim is for this to be approximately 10 to 15 minutes, something like that, and you are welcome to replay this over and over as often as you need and share with whoever you feel is in need and would benefit from this. So I would ask you first to make sure that you are in a comfortable space where you will not be disturbed. A place also where you will not be distracted and you are not fidgeting with any of your devices, etc. Ideally, this is best listened to through headphones, but if you cannot, then simply take the frequency in and listen as best you can. There are many different types of anxiety, but in this recording we are not going to focus on those. There will be other anxiety recordings coming out later, but this is focusing purely on the sensation that you feel within your body. We do not need to know the reason why. We do not need to know what caused it, how long ago, or any of those things. It is purely on the sensation in your body. So I would initially ask you just to take a few comfortable breaths that are right for you, in whichever manner is right for you. This recording is for you personally that is listening to this. On my bench there is a holographic body, and this holographic body, in what people term as a quantum field, can be anyone. And in this instance, it is you. And this holographic body in front of me has some sensations in their body of anxiety. And we are going to help you feel a little better. The first thing with anxiety is that, from my experience, those that are anxious are not grounded. Their energy has moved way up into their chest, into their upper torso region. So initially we are going to focus on grounding. We are going to connect at the soles of your feet, where those two powerful chakras reside. Those chakras connect you with our Earth Mother. And not only that, they connect you with all sentient beings that inhabit this earth. Allow the sound of this tuning fork to help move your energy from up in your torso down your body, gently, gently, and out through the soles of your feet. You may hear me sigh or yawn at times. That is just my way of connecting with and processing and releasing this energy that I am feeling. Connecting and grounding you to our Earth Mother. Imagine your feet placed on some lush green grass, and out of the bottom of the soles of your feet floods all the sensations of any anxiety that is held within your physical body and your energetic holographic body. We are going to connect with the Earth Chakra, which resides a little ways past your feet, the soles of your feet. We are going to make sure that this is activated, it is cleansed, and it is cleared. There is some sweeping of the energy that you may hear. As we clear the way for the grounding, the balancing, cleansing and realignment of the Earth Star Chakra. There we go. That's feeling much better. Feeling much better. It's been some sort of release. We will now focus. I'm drawn actually towards the abdominal area, where it feels a little bit churny, a little bit sort of like butterflies in the tummy area, and a little bit of the fear from the anxiety. It's not just the anxiety itself that affects your life and stops you from enjoying things, going out, being with friends, family, or other events. It can often be the fear of the anxiety is it going to come on when you are in that situation? What may you need to do? Where may you need to go? Where is your exit point? Etc., etc. And this fear can be held in the abdominal region. And so we are working on the fear of the anxiety right here, right now, for you listening to this. Starting to ease, starting to ease. And again, for you listening to this, breathe this frequency into the area. Imagine breathing it in and out into the area of discomfort, which is the lower abdominal region. Well done. Well done. That's easing. That's easing. Doing a great job. Thank you. We will move up now to the chest area. The breath can often be affected with anxiety. There is often a short intake of breath and being held in this region. You may not always know that you do this, but it is a natural reaction when anxiety hits. I am personally also speaking from experience because I used to suffer with anxiety, but not now. It's feeling right in the center by the sternum area. I'm sensing it around there, and the real upper chest area. A little bit in the throat because the throat will also get dry, maybe difficult swallowing, and you may not be able to express yourself verbally as well as you usually could. So we are working with this. Receive this energy. Give yourself permission for this frequency, sound and vibration to clear any anxiety that you are feeling in your body. The whooshing sound is my moving the tuning fork up very quickly to release that from your body. we need to spend just a little bit longer in this area. The tuning fork is not as clear as it should be, which is suggesting, there we go, which was suggesting that it had not cleared. The frequency of the fork is irrelevant, really. It is the intention that is behind what is happening and the connection that I am making with you personally. Breathe. Imagine breathing through the chest area. Consciously breathe. Send your breath out. Visualize it leaving through those areas of discomfort within your chest. And taking with it any remnants of this feeling. That's better. That's just clicked in. Well done. Awesome. There's a little bit of energy cleansing happening over the head because the mind kicks in. The subconscious mind kicks in, constantly reminding you of things. So we are working with that to help calm it down. Help to calm down that central nervous system, that vagus nerve that can be on high alert. Smooth and calm. And as we smooth and calm, we will change frequencies. To balance and realign and clear away any excess debris, as I call it, vibrational debris, from the areas that have been worked with. We are going to seal in the work that has been done. We are sealing in the cleansing. Making sure the grounding is still active, being down at the feet. Sealing the energy over you in an arc. An arch or an arc, whichever you prefer. Beautiful high vibrational frequency and sound, which is creating a white light, protecting you and sealing it in. breathe this frequency in. It is good for you. Connect with your breath. Feel your breath in your body. Connect with your hands and your feet. And know that you are back in your physical form. When you are ready, open your eyes. Thank you for listening. I hope that have been of benefit to you. I would welcome your feedback. My name is Debbie. I am from Resonate. I am a practitioner of sound, frequency and vibration. I work with people across this earth in distant sessions with my dimensional healing modality. Should you like to reach me, you may find me via my website at resonate.co.nz. That's REZONATE.co.nz. There is no distance, there is no time, there is no space. There is only energy, frequency, and vibration. Namaste.